shut the fuck up. I'm following.
Do not push them into the traffic. Push them away from
Whoa!
Do not push them into the traffic. Push them away from
Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! What did you just do? You fucking murder! Oh my! You murder! You fucking murders! How? How dare you? You piece of shit!
I got the gun. I got the gun. Medic here.
Oh my god, you piece of shit! You can't even walk?
We don't need that. It's a medical emergency.
Yeah, it is caused by you, you asshole!
You're gonna need to clear out, man.
Where am I gonna go?
Turn, go out that way. For the medical.
Okay.
Get out of the car, please. Reverse.
Okay.
On the way.
I'm trying. I'm scared.
I'm watching you. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're gonna come out this way, okay? Stop! Stop!
Okay.
Get out of here.
Holy shit. Slow down. Oh my God.
Whoa, they just shot somebody. Go, go. Go, get the fuck on, bro. Hey, there was a shooting.
Hey, can I? Okay, it's fine. I have water. Do you need more water? They killed someone. They killed someone.
Yeah, is it on?
I don't think
Okay, all right, that's great.
Hey, I have water.
I just need to take off this first few layers of clothes.
I have
'cause it
water
gets all on there.
and a warm car.
Okay. I can't see right now.
Okay.
And that's kind of like my. Oh my fucking God.
Fuck you!
Okay.
I got a rug for you. I want you to pat your face to try to get it off your face, but don't pat your eyes. And then try to lean back. And I'm gonna get more water in your eyes, okay? And get pepper spray.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna try to pat your eyes. And I'll try to pat around so it doesn't squeeze on
Are you a medic?
Holy shit.
What?
Dude, that happened right in front of my car. That happened right in front of my car.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my God.
I'm still fucking in shock.
I got it all on tape.
Did you?
Good for nothing! Police my ass! Arrest them! They're murderers! They're murderers! Arrest them! Get them out of our fucking city, MPD! Do something!
Oh my God. Holy shit. Hey, I have a car. If you want to get in it, I can drive you home.
I don't know if he's got it covered. Yeah, I just got it
Get the fuck